Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chen, and if you're new here, welcome. So, in today's video, we just go through how to do this simple base. I'm going to be finishing off this look with some rainbow tears inspired by apparently Mac, who, the Mac filter who inspired Ryan B. Potter. It was like a whole journey before it got to me. It was a whole game of telephone. Anyways, in today's video, it's not a chit-chat video whatsoever. It's more so just a ASMR-esque, chill, lo-fi vibes. Is there gonna be new music? Stay tuned. But I did also want to address a little bit about a schedule change for my YouTube channel because I want to move away from uploading on the weekends just because I do produce content for TikTok every single day, and I also upload different makeup looks 5 days out of the week on all the weekdays on Instagram. So if you're not following me on those platforms, definitely go over there to Chen on TikTok and on Instagram, and be sure to follow me for daily content when I am not here on YouTube. And I'm thinking that I want to either upload on Tuesdays or Wednesdays on here on my channel, just so that like we have a middle point in the week where you can definitely be sure to expect a new video from me. And so in today's video, we just go through how to do this base, or like what I did to create this base. So I hope you enjoy this lo-fi video, and yeah, and if you're doing your makeup alongside, then even better. Let's get to doing our makeup together. And before we dive right in, if you haven't already, I would love for you to join the fam bam by hitting the subscribe button right over here with my face on it. I think it's right over here anyways. Or you could also hit the red subscribe button underneath the video, and while you are there, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to hit the like button so that'll help me out a lot right here on my channel. And let me know where you're from, how you found me. Down in the comments below, because that'll also help with the algorithm as well. So let's dive right on in. Thank you so much for bearing with me through all of this intro. All right. And this is essentially today's look. There's gonna be a button, subscribe button, right in the middle here that'll pop up pretty soon after this video ends. I just want to say I love you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you next week on either Tuesday or Wednesday. Stay tuned. Check my Instagram. Bye!